the place where HRIS integrations live is in the App Center. So we went company to App Center, and then user management. I'm going to be connecting Gusto, so I'm just going to search Gusto up, and here it is, Gusto. So here there's just this connect app button, so I'm going to click this, and then this is when the merge magic begins. Cool. So yeah, merge is kind of giving us this like iframe that will show up, that will like kind of do all the whole authentication process. So here I'm connecting a sandbox data one, so I'll click this, and then this is all the things that Ramp is going to be communicating with through merge, and then I'll click next here, and then it'll click open window, and then here it'll kick me over to Gusto, and then here's where I will authorize Ramp to connect to our account. I'll just go ahead and click merge, click authorize. Cool. So yeah, it comes over to Ramp, and then at this point, merge is kind of syncing with Gusto and getting all that data from Gusto into merge for it to be set up. And then if I go back over into apps and connected apps and click settings here, so yeah, this is kind of like where people are able to invite users. So you can see that this is all data that's brought in from Gusto. If I want to like invite some of these users, just click a few of these and review the invites. You can see that the roles already brought in. This is coming from Gusto. You can see the managers being brought in. Some of these users don't have managers, but some of them do. And then the department. Sometimes like the department might not exist, so we can just like create that department on the bat, and then we can select departments for each of these users. Usually this will be populated from merge, but some of the sandbox data wasn't perfect. And yeah, once all of this is set up, you can just click send these invites, and then we will kick off those invites in the background, and then those users will get added in. You can see in pending, let me just refresh the page again, that there's 5 invites that we're waiting on. So this is like the kind of like the start of the flow when we invite users. There's also a part with automatically syncing organizational changes. So these are all the things that we will automatically sync. This is a plus gated feature, but yeah, we can sync first and last name changes, manager changes, department changes, location changes after the user has been invited to Ramp. And the last thing, there's no users here in the terminated part, but if a user had been terminated on Gusto, but they're still in Ramp, we will show them here. We'll also send an email every day saying like, oh, these are the users that you need to deactivate. And then it'll show up here. And then there's just like a very quick flow to terminate that user.